Bonjour, bonjour tout le monde. Hello everybody. So in this video is episode 10 of Le Secret des Templiers, The Secret of the Templars. So if you want to read with me that bande dessinée since the beginning, there's a playlist of the same name. So if you just click on playlist, you should find it. There's only one anyway. Alright, let's get started. So I'm here. Les sinistres personnages à cagoule resserrent peu à peu leur cercle autour de l'amas de pierre écroulé où s'est blotti Jacques. So that's a longest sentence, this one. Okay. So les sinistres personnages, the sinistre people à cagoule. Cagoule is hood. Cagoule is hood. So the sinister hooded people. Okay, resserre. So this is third person plural of verb resserrer at the indicatif présent. So le verb is resserrer. R-I-S-S-I-R-R-I-R, which means to tighten or to re-tighten. Like let's say you have a screw and it has become loose, so you re-tighten the screw. So that's, in French you would say je resserre la vis is a screw. Okay, so it's like tighten, re-tighten. Peu à peu, little by little, leur cercle, their circle, autour de, around the amas de pierre. So it's like amas is like a pile. So a pile of stones. Around the pile of stones. Oh, écroulé. So this is participe passé, and it's agreeing in gender and number with the antécédent, which is pierre, stones. So it's got to be so pierre is feminine. So now and you have the plural here, so that's why you have the es at the end. So écroulé, et with the accent aigu, and then es. So that's the agreement. So écroulé means s'écrouler means to collapse. So around the pile of collapsed stones. So où, where, s'est blotti Jacques. So se blottir, verbe pronominal. It means like to huddle up. So where Jack huddled up. So here the tense is passé composé. When you have a verb pronominal, so when you have a se, like se blottir, the auxiliary is always être. Okay, it's never avoir, it's always être. Whenever you have un verbe pronominal, in English a reflexive verb, always être. The auxiliary is always être in the passé composé. Okay, let's move on. Je ne sais si je l'ai touché. So I don't know if I hit him. Hit. So toucher is to hit. So here the tense is passé composé. Okay. And the verb is toucher. T-O-U-C-H-E-R. Okay. So this is passé composé. First person singular. Mais en tout cas, il est toujours au milieu de ces ruines. But anyway, so il est toujours, is always au milieu de, in the middle of these ruins. C is these. Okay, so is this. C is these. Okay. Nous allons les fouiller méthodiquement. So nous allons, we are going to fouiller is search. We are going to search them. Les here refers to the ruins. So we are gonna search them methodically. Il ne nous échappera pas. So échapper is escape. So here it's the future tense. Future. So he will not escape us. He will not escape us. Okay, so next panel. Mon Dieu, so my God, ce n'est plus qu'une question de minutes. Ce n'est plus qu'une question de minutes. Ce n'est plus qu'une question de minutes. So it's only a matter of it's now only a matter of minutes. Et inutile de crier, and no need to shout, so crier is shout, to shout. Personne ne m'entendra. So nobody will hear me. So again, this is future. La maison du gardien est trop loin. La maison du gardien est trop loin. So the house of the guard is too far away. Psst. Okay, so this is psst. Okay, next one. Quelqu'un m'appelle à voix basse. Quelqu'un m'appelle à voix basse. So here there's an accent grave on the A. So somebody is calling me in voix basse is low voice. Okay, next one. Okay. So par ici, vite. Over here, quick, vite, quick. Oh, une main sous cette dalle à demi soulevée. Une main dalle à demi soulevée. So, et main is hand, sous cette dalle. Sous is under this dalle is like a flat stone, like a slab. À demi soulevé. So soulever is lift. So half under this half lifted slab. Okay, next one. This one. Oh, le vieil homme de la voie ferrée. Le vieil homme de la voie ferrée. Okay, so vieil is old. Okay, adjective. It's vieil, old. Usually you say vieux. V-I-E-U-X. But whenever the word that follows begins with a vowel or a mute H, like here, homme, this is a mute H, you don't use vieux, you use vieille. Okay, so there's no clash here. So le vieil homme, so the old man, so de la voie ferrée is the railroad tracks, or railroad track. Il vous cherche, hein? So il vous cherche, they are looking for you. Chercher is looking for, to look for. Vite, quick. Laissez-vous glisser. So here this is the polite form. Vous, laissez-vous, which corresponds to the second person plural. So it's also the polite form. So laissez-vous glisser. Let yourself slide. Glisser is slide. Okay, next one. Okay, n'ayez pas peur. So don't be afraid. Again, is using a polite vous here. Okay, so this is second person plural corresponding to the polite vous. Ce n'est pas profond. So this is not deep. Profond is deep. Aidez-moi à replacer la dalle. Aidez-moi à replacer la dalle. Yeah, so the tense is actually the mood is imperative. It's like an order. So aidez-moi à replacer la dalle. Help me reposition the slab. Okay, next one. Ouf, plus rien à craindre. Ok, craindre means fear, to fear, to be to fear, to be afraid of. So nothing to be afraid of anymore. La dalle ferme bien. So the slab closes well. Et je suis seul à connaître l'existence de ce bout de souterrain. Je suis seul à connaître l'existence de ce bout de souterrain. Je suis seul, so I am the only one that knows, or I'm the only one to know the existence of this piece of underground tunnel. I mean subterranean something. It's basically underground, something underground. Malheureusement, il est sans issue. Malheureusement, il est sans issue. Sans issue. Ici de liaison, sans issue. Unfortunately, it has no exit. It has no exit. Issue is exit. Okay? Issue. Alright. Il est éboulé. Ok, so il y a une liaison. Il est éboulé aux deux extrémités. Let me go back to this. A bout is a piece. Okay, so it's a piece, like a piece of bread, un bout de pain, un bout de pain, very common. You see that all the time. Un bout, a piece of something. Okay, so il est éboulé aux deux extrémités. So, éboulé, donc s'ébouler, verbe pronominal, s'ébouler means to crumble or to collapse. So it is collapsed at the two ends. Okay, et n'est plus long que de quelques mètres. Et n'est plus long que de quelques mètres. And is now its length is only a few meters. Okay, approximate translation. Yeah, when you say something, when you want to say to measure something, like le train, so the train is le train est long de 10 meters. Okay, so to indicate the length. So that's why you have that long de, and then the meters here. Nous devons attendre que ces canailles se lassent là-haut. Nous devons attendre que ces canailles se lassent là-haut. So nous devons attendre. We need to wait. Que ces canailles. So canailles is like scoundrels. Se lasse. So se lasser means to get tired, to grow tired of something. So we must wait for these scoundrels to get tired là-haut, up there. Mais qui êtes-vous? But who are you? Et que faisiez-vous ici? Or ici, if you don't want to liaise here. Et que faisiez-vous ici? Okay, so here you have a choice. But yeah, it's probably better not to liaise here. Et que faisiez-vous ici? So this is the tense is so this is faire, to do, to make, and the tense is the imperfect. So je faisais, tu faisais, il faisait, nous faisions, vous faisiez, il faisait. And here you don't pronounce faisiez, you pronounce faisiez. Et que feu, even though it looks like it's fait, but no, you pronounce it feu. Et que faisiez-vous ici? Again, the tense is imperfect. Second person plural, but this is the polite form actually. Okay, last one, I hope, yes. Ouh. C'est vrai, it's true. Vous ne m'avez jamais vu. Vous ne m'avez jamais vu. So you have never seen me. You have never seen me. So the tense is the passé composé. Okay? And vu is the participe passé of voir, to see. So you have never seen me. Mais moi, but I, je vous connais. So connais, je vous connais, comes from connaître, know, to know. I know you. Je vous connais. I know you. Je vous ai ramassé inconscient sur la voie ferrée Paris-Gisors. Je vous ai ramassé inconscient sur la voie ferrée Paris-Gisors. So, ramasser is to pick up. So, I picked you up unconscious on the railroad track Paris-Gisors. Okay, Paris is of course Paris, but Gisors is the city in Normandy. Ouh, alors ouh, there's a mistake here. There should be a accent grave on the U, the U, because it means where. So où les cagoulards espéraient que le train vous écraserait. Ok, tense here is, this is imparfait, and this is conditionnel. Écraserait is conditionnel. Okay. So where the hooded bad guys espéraient were hoping that the train would so écraser is to run over. Would run you over. Hein? What? Okay, next one. Okay, je vous ai caché dans un tuyau de drainage. Je vous ai caché dans un tuyau de drainage. Let me check something. I wonder the tuyau, the way they spell it. Yeah, it's wrong. I don't know why they spell it like this. Okay. So, je vous ai caché dans un tuyau de drainage. So, caché is to hide. And the tense here is passé composé. So, I hid you in a drainage pipe, like a culvert. But tuyau, it's wrong. There's no E here. Tuyau, there's no E. This is wrong. There's no E. So the spelling is Tuyau. Car j'avais vos ennemis à mes trousses. Car j'avais vos ennemis à mes trousses. So car, because j'avais, I had your enemies à mes trousses. So à mes trousses, on my heels, on my tail, it's an expression. Quand je suis revenu, vous aviez disparu. Quand je suis revenu, vous aviez disparu. So here the tense is passé composé, and this one is plus que parfait, pluperfect. So when I came back, you had disappeared. Okay. Ça alors. So here there's a cédilla. Ça alors. moi qui me demandais comment diable j'avais pu arriver dans ce tuyau. Moi qui me demandais comment diable j'avais pu arriver dans ce tuyau. So ça alors it's just an interjection. What? I that was wondering. So this is the tense is the imperfect, imparfait. I that was wondering how on earth I had been able to arrive in this pipe. Again, the problem here, tuyau, wrong spelling. Okay, so the tense here, j'avais pu is plus que parfait. Okay, because pu is the participe passé of pouvoir, to be able to. So j'avais pu, okay, j'avais pu. So j'ai pu would be the passé composé, j'avais pu is the plus perfect, plus que parfait. So how on earth I had been able to end up. So how on earth I had been able to end up in this pipe. So je vous dois une fière chandelle, jeune homme. Je vous dois une fière chandelle, jeune homme. So I owe you big time. This is an expression. Une fière chandelle means devoir une fière chandelle à quelqu'un. It means you owe the person big time. Okay? So I owe you big time. Chandelle, what is a chandelle? Chandelle is a candle. And fier is proud. It's weird. So jeune homme, young man. Okay, last one. Mais vous, qui êtes-vous? But you, who are you? Et que signifie toute cette histoire incroyable? And what does this incredible story mean? So signifier means to mean. So signifier means to mean. So what does this incredible story mean? Okay, so I'm gonna stop here. Yeah, if you really if you really want to help me out, please like, comment, subscribe. That would really help me a lot growing my channel. So if you have any questions about French in general, anything, just put a comment down there and I'll answer, no problem. Okay, so I'll see you all. Bye.